Here we are again, another episode of Tips and Tricks with Mrs. Romito. Today we're going to be going over using your feedback. So what are the steps for using your feedback appropriately? Remember, I have a previous video and previous tips and tricks on how to find your feedback. Now let's talk about how to use it. So before you resubmit, you want to go to the learning management system and read or watch any of your feedback. So this could be direct feedback that is just in the learning management system typed out, or it could be specific linked feedback, like a linked document, a linked video. Then you want to review the module. So this includes reviewing the assessment directions, making sure you followed them correctly the first time, all links that can be found in the assessment, click on all of those, and then the rubric requirements as well. And then ask your teacher any questions you may have. Now, while you're working, you want to use the feedback document provided by your instructor, refer back to the module for assistance to update any information that you might have gotten incorrect, and any changes you make, you should differentiate them from your original submission. Maybe you'll make your new information in bold or a different color font, or you'll highlight it so that you can point out to your teacher specifically where you changed information to show your growth and mastery in learning. And then again, while you're working, should you have any questions, reach out to your teacher. Now, after you resubmit, what should you do? You should continue moving forward in your coursework. You don't want to get behind on your due dates. Specifically, if you had to go back and redo some assignments, you might get a little bit behind. So keep moving forward, one foot in front of the other. Once you receive your updated feedback, you want to review it to make sure that you understood everything, especially if your score is still below mastery. If you have additional questions or concerns, definitely consider joining your teacher in office hours, calling, or emailing them. Let your teacher know all the time if you ever have a question, specifically when you're reviewing their feedback that they provided for you.